Thank you. So now we are at your medical aesthetics spa, and you have 3 locations, right? You have Miami, Tampa, and Ocala.
Yes.
What made you decide to get into this industry?
Oh, well, that's my mom.
Okay.
She told me, don't go work in a hospital, just do this. You know, she's been in the industry for years, and she's actually very inspiring. She's an entrepreneur. And she opened the first electrolysis and laser hair removal school in Tampa.
Amazing. I got a chance to actually meet her mom and her grandmother, because your grandmother brought you lunch, which was so sweet. So that's the type of environment, right? It's very welcoming. You welcome your patients here as if they're family. It's a nice place. You're doing many things here. So instead of people having to like go under the knife to do some things, it's non-surgical, non-invasive. And I was looking at this list of things that you do. You do wrinkle relaxers. I know I need that. You do fillers, you do lasers, you do skin resurfacing, you do medical facials, you do sexual wellness, and a lot of other different things. But you're able to do it here. You have several different rooms, high-end equipment. I want to know one thing that I thought was interesting that you do, and you do tattoo removal.
Yes.
Okay.
One of the more common things that we do is permanent makeup removal.
Okay.
So we have patients that, you know, maybe got their eyebrows tattooed or their eyeliner, and they're just not happy with the way it looks, or they want to remove the wing, or something's a little off symmetry, or the color is off. And so we are able to safely remove eyeliner and eyebrow tattoo without, you know, getting rid of the hair, and without injuring the eye, which is the most important thing when you're doing that treatment.
And sometimes when people are doing permanent makeup, sometimes they make a little mistake. Like you said, like maybe one wing's uneven from the other wing, like when they're doing like the cat eye look, or, you know, and so you're able to fix that.
Absolutely.
It must feel good.
It's
right?
amazing. And they feel good.
Right.
Because it's your face.
Now you have a CO machine?
A CO2.
Right? Okay.
A CO2
it's
laser.
almost like Star Wars here, because it's like really cool stuff, right? So what does that machine do?
So the CO2 laser is actually, it's the gold standard for acne scars. So it's excellent for repairing texture, but it also helps tighten the skin, build new collagen, so you're able to target wrinkles, fine lines, like the lip lines, the lines around the eyes.
She's looking at me, kids, okay?
And it does about sometimes 80 to 90% reduction in pigmentation. So if you have a lot of sun damage and you want to get rid of that, you know, kind of even out your skin tone, CO2 is an excellent option for that.
So one of the things I've always been shy about is my nose and the space between my teeth, right? So now you can't do all noses non-surgically, but what can you do? What's it called when you help somebody with their nose?
So we call it non-surgical or liquid nose, or liquid rhinoplasty.
Okay.
And we just use a combination of threads or fillers to maybe mask the bump. Some people have a little bit of a bump, or if they want to like lift the tip or round it out a bit. Usually we can take care of that with filler, and it lasts about 1 year. A lot cheaper than surgery.
Yeah, and then they could kind of get used to their new nose if they ever wanted to like do it, you know, forever. And then also sometimes you put a little filler here, which also gives you like a little lift.
Right. You can
Okay.
put it in different places to kind of help shape the nose the way you want.
And one of the things you said you can help me with today is like do like you're like, please let me, right? So laser this, right?
Yes.
So the only way that you can get rid of these black hairs is once they're black with laser. Because the laser has to see them.
Correct.
So I said, yes, I'm going to do it. So yeah, because I could use some help. Yay! Because I'm tired of looking in the rearview mirror in the sun and like, you know.
It's funny because I do my testosterone therapy,
right?
And so I'm plucking every week the 1 or 2 hairs that come out. Like, it's easy to just laser it, and it doesn't grow back.
Thank you very much. Stay tuned.